Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to create masters in Paybooks. The common fields like department, designation, city, etc. need to be created to ensure that all the fields are uniform. To create masters, on the home page, click the settings icon on the right-hand side on the top. Click Create Masters. Select the field which you would like to update from the drop-down. You will get to see the list of masters you can view and create. You can create city, department, designation, level, cost center, country, employee banks, project, salary templates, and grade. For example, if you want to create a department, select Department from the drop-down. Enter the name of the department. Click Add to List, and your department is now added. You also have the option to import masters. Click on the arrow button here. Click Download Template. Here you can upload the various masters, that is city, department, designation, etc. Update all the necessary fields as required and save the file to the local drive. Click Choose File, click Import, and your file is imported successfully. The masters which you have uploaded will now be displayed over here. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.